Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text on Capcut. Keep watching the video till the end. To add text on Capcut, firstly go ahead and open your Capcut application. Select a project you'd like to edit. On the next page, to add text in Capcut, tap on text option at the bottom of the page. Click on add text option. Enter text that you'd like to add and tap on tick mark. You can also change font of the text from the given options. Also, you can change the styles, effects, add backgrounds and use auto edits available. This is how you can add text on Capcut quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.